that email lands. Your position is no longer required. Thank you for your service. Paycheck gone, bills keep coming, kids keep asking for dinner. Right now, this is happening to thousands every single day. Most people, they dust off the resume, send it into the black hole, pray for another boss, another fragile check. But some flip everything. They build something nobody can take away. Network marketing. Not the flashy garbage on social. The real version, low entry cost. You own it. No Zoom firing, you set the pace. You choose who you help. You decide the paycheck. In hard times, people cut the nonsense. They protect health first. Energy, immunity, real fixes. Wellness demand doesn't crash, it climbs. Superfoods, natural stuff. Functional drinks, billions in play. Still growing, even when wallets are tight. Regular people have done this. This book, Noni Millionaires from 2006, still gets handed out free when you start. Ordinary folks, no fancy degrees. No rich uncles, built real income, helping others feel better. Quiet, consistent. Industry took hits, always does, but the model, it survives. Because the need never dies. Corporate sells security, then yanks the rug. This path, you hold the rug. No boardroom decides your fate. Weekly pay when you build. Travel when it grows. Leverage from people you help. Not easy, not instant. Quitters bail in week 1. Perfect. The ones who stay, they stack quiet wins. Income that doesn't vanish. Life without the 9-to-5 cage. If you're done chasing ghosts with resumes, if you want something recession-proof, something you run from home, something real, start here. www.quietguy.net. Sign up. First email drops in your inbox. No spam, no noise, just straight talk. See if it clicks for you. No pressure. That 2006 book comes free when you start. Real proof, Ben.